Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be featuring 3 new wigs from the Wig Bloom collection. Keep on watching. Welcome to part 2 of my Vivace try-on haul featuring the Wig Bloom collection. If you did not see part 1, I will link that video up above, so make sure that you check it out. In today's video, we're focusing on three new wigs from the Wig Bloom collection. So this unit here is the Wig Bloom Unit 2 in the color DR Chocolate. This is what the stock card looks like. And it does come in these different color options. Absolutely loving this wig. I love the natural look and feel of it. Also love the length. I kind of wish it was a little bit shorter of a bob length, but it's super cute nonetheless. I'm gonna give you a 360 so you can see the full look of this unit. So I do absolutely love it. The color is super cute. Definitely is giving natural feels. I mean, synthetic wear. We love a cute bob, perfect for the spring and summer. So absolutely loving this look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. On to wig number 2. And here's wig number 2 from the Wig Bloom collection. This is the Wig Bloom Unit 6 in the color DR Sandy Brown. This color is everything. Absolutely love this color. Love the natural feel to this unit. This Wig Bloom collection is definitely blowing me away. And this blonde or sandy brown, this sandy brown is doing it for me. Let's give you a quick 360 and then I'll get into some more final thoughts. Also, this unit does come in different colors that you see here. The sandy brown though, loving it. Absolutely love the length, the color, the texture. She's gorgeous. She's absolutely gorgeous. So let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. On to unit number 3. So this is wig number 3. This is the Wig Bloom unit number 13 in the color DR Chocolate. This is the stock card. These are the other options for the colors that they have. This one was the one that I was most excited to try, but when I did my poll on Instagram, everyone voted for the DR or the Wig Bloom Unit 9 and then the Wig Bloom Unit 3. But I was most pressed to try this one and I haven't changed my mind yet. Like, this one is definitely my favorite. The color, the curls, the length, the fullness, synthetic wig wear. Like, this wig is definitely giving me life. Let me give you a quick 360 and we'll talk more about these wigs. How gorgeous are these curls? How gorgeous is this color? How gorgeous is this unit? Told you before, Wig Bloom does not come to play. This unit here, just send me her in every color. Vivace, if you're watching this video, send me every color of this. Like, I need her in every single color. She is that girl. Hope you guys have enjoyed this try on haul part 2. Stay tuned for more because I have more Vivace wigs and hair to try out for you. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Because 2024, told you before, I'm bringing the heat. Bringing the heat, and you don't want to miss it, and I don't want you to miss it. So join the family. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget again to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you in my next video.